Here's a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. Versatility, safety, connectivity, beauty. To a T, this is the Pacifica. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: power liftgate, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, active noise cancellation, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, amazingly, through the blizzard of new tech and safety equipment the Pacifica brings, the most impressive item is still Chrysler's super clever stow-and-go second row seats that drop into the floor to expand cargo capacity. Get into a Chrysler and let's do great things together. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.